No, dog, believe you me. That's why I run out of my eye, dog. If you sit down and reminisce, just wake up in my Airbnb, yo. Cartel me and tell you the truth. I have cried tears, dog. Them bench me, dog. The man of the stars, them want to see me. The man of the stars, them want to see me. Want to know who is me. Dog, that's why I want to run out of my eye, youth. You know. Look at these things. You have to talk about it, brother. In my Airbnb, me one in a 3 fucking room. Cartel, I you do this youth. You do them thing, I youth. Wake up and come in my Airbnb. My clothes, water run out of my eye, youth. See there? My clothes, let me just take off my clothes and right there, so. Zeal, and go up in my stairs and me invite some people. Street vibes, so me have inside my Airbnb. They get to me a deal with. And I drink, brother. Water run out of my eye, youth. Dog, them bench me. Look what you do to my life, youth. Yeah, the stars, them wanna see us Jamaican for proud of the youth, you know. But that all I show them, not show them miss me. But that all I show them, what do this for Nuffy? Yo, you never know it. Yo, dog. Look what you do, dog. Dog, look what you do, dog. Never wait till youth. Yeah. Yo, that you never know. Look what you do, yo. We me wanna do in a 3 fucking room. Me not rate you, youth. Yo, remember them bench me. Remember me sit down on the net and me a defend you. All the people saying they not with me and not look for me. And like me, youth. Look what you do, youth. I'm a master blood clot bedroom this. Airbnb. See my clothes on the brother. Cartel, look what you do, youth. Look what you do, youth. Yeah, the fucking stars, them wanna see me, want know me. I pass, man, I say, you ain't enough your shit, man. From the Icon, every stars. Look what we do, Jamaican, of rate a youth and name Cartel. I'm the real true king of dancehall. Almost what? With the New York. See? Me see all of the stars, them. When me can name. Everybody, when me stand up right there, everybody shake me and then I show me love. One time we want to be the star. Where would I love to shake them and we know every show Cartel, every city him go, every rapper, everybody female to male want forward. And come show him love and come be a part of the movements. Jamaican, if you love that youth from prison. He has risen from prison to the stage. I have to cry youth, cause them bench me. Them bench me youth. And you come raise me. Rise back the thing and take it to another level, youth. Big up the team Grinch, same way, big up the whole team. Saying from TJ to Scatter, big up the promoter CJ, same way, because she make it possible to. Saying the whole team, saying Money, saying, you know the thing go, Bright Light, Sean Storm, Mad Sauce, saying, better than the whole team. Get me a deal with Scatter. Hi Shana, you get me a deal with? Yeah, the whole team. Harvey. Big up Jason. You don't know the liar. The whole team, brother. The whole team. We have to big up everybody with the team. The Shana Chin, the Renee 630, the Sheriff. You get me a deal with everybody with the team. Yeah, me big up Harvey, Cartel. Yo, I cry, you. Look what you do, youth. Look what you do. Jamaican, if you rate a youth like this guy, see them youth here, and him try to help everybody. Says when you hear Maxi money, you give him when blood clot deserve. See? When me turn up and I defend the youth, a whole heap of people bench me, you know. And I say, oh, Cartel no like you and Cartel no know you, and some of them say nah come from prison, some of them say if you did that prison. Look there. I'm there on every show. Him never hitch, him never glitch, nothing. TJ, big up in a youth. Great road manager, you know. I mean, great manager, you know. Road manager Scatter, big up, you know. The whole team, you know. Yo, dog, never cry. I mean, not lie, yo. I don't know about some boy, I know about when people share with me. I show love. And me appreciate love it. Kartel, me appreciate love. Oh, yo. I make me up on the forefront and run out. And I get some rascal respect and ratings. Boy, all the dog call me. You hear me tell you? You touch your devil know. But like big up, you know. The moment, see, I'm going to take time out and big up my wife too, you know. Because she behind me more time. You see me close them. You see me suit them more time. She choose them. See? She go up and land more time and choose them. And look and say, my husband, you like this, you love this. Not want to say she not travel. But I just such a stay. See? But you know, see how the summer people, me and her, when I come out to big up my wife. You know, because she dead behind me 100%. And she have my booking agent, and she look for the ticket them, and she do the something them. My wife. You see me? So, Addy, Kartel, yo, and big up your youth them too, you know. Seeing, little Addy, little Vybz. And the other little one when I know, me just know him last night. Kartel! Me no care what no man want to say, and nobody want to say, youth. You come change the game, change everything. Dancehall is on the top of the pinnacle. See? You come show them so we can go to another level with it. And some boy and some girl, all you Rasta boy, chat him out, Rasta boy. Where you chat with your bad mind. Where you do the selector them all the while and keep clash show and go and pay selector when you feel like to pay them and come and chat up your mouth. Artists get real money. Kartel come change the game. Yeah. Yo, Instagram big up in a car, you know thing go. Later, Kartel, he start well. He hit the chart well. Give the G where him deserve. Money, 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 money. Boom.